Hey everyone, it's Kivia. Thanks so much for coming back for another video. Welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be removing all of my fall decor and prepping my house to get ready for my Christmas decor. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Okay, as you can see, I just removed all of the pillow covers that I had on the couch for the fall season. I'll be replacing those with some Christmas ones. Now I'm going to be going through this bin, just trying to get rid of a lot of the things that I know I won't use again. Some stuff that I didn't use this year and I don't plan on using again. I definitely wanted to declutter this before I start putting all of the fall decor back in here. The kitchen is all clear and I cannot wait to start decorating in here for Christmas. I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with. And here are all the fall stems that I used this year. So I'm going to get these organized and stored away. These are some bags that I purchased from Temu, I believe. I think I got them from Temu. But I like to keep my holiday throw pillows in here, the ones that I'm holding up. I just need to take the covers off of these, but I do have a lot of pumpkin throw pillows. I didn't realize I had so many. I'm just storing everything back in this bin that I decided to keep. And yes, you guys see the Shein bags. Those come in handy when it comes to organizing holiday decor. So I do like to save a few of those from time to time. But I'm not really worried about anything getting broken in here because it stays in one spot until fall comes around again. So that's why I didn't really wrap the items that I put in there that's breakable. But I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'm going to show you all the wreaths that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I did go with the cedar wreaths and I love to put these on my cabinets in the kitchen. So I'm going to just set the mood, put on one of my favorite Christmas movies, which is The Holiday Calendar on Netflix. Make sure you watch that if you have not. So these are the wreaths that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And here are some of the ornaments that I'll be using on this tree. I still have a lot in my guest room, but this is what I brought out so far. And I also picked up these bows from Target. I do have some ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, but when I saw these in Target, I figured these would be a whole lot easier to work with. And what I like to do is just use some command strips. I use these clear small ones and I like to make sure I measure. So I put them at least 7 inches. I think I was measuring 7 inches from that top part where you see the ruler at. So I just did that on a few of the cabinets. Also wanted to mention it's good to let these sit on the cabinets for a little bit just so that adhesive could adhere and you don't have to worry about the wreaths coming down. That goes for anything that you're using when it comes to command strips. Just let it sit for a little bit before you actually start hanging items on there. Okay, you all, the last thing I'll be doing in this video is hanging the wreaths on these cabinets. This is my favorite part of decorating my kitchen. I really love the way that these red ribbon pop on the greenery. And unfortunately, I won't be able to complete everything I wanted to in this video because I did have a family emergency. So I had to cut it short, but I will have another video for you guys next Sunday. So hopefully you guys will see this one on Monday since I didn't get a chance to put it out on Sunday. But I do have a lot of decorating to do. So I'm not sure how many parts it's going to take for me to get everything done, but you all will see it soon. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Until next time, my friends, take care.